The count of Tiferet of Yesod. This is the 38th day of the Omer. And I explained that the entire week of Yesod, 38. Yeah, we're already 38, we're almost done. So I explained that the entire week of Yesod is mainly concentrating on relationships, and especially marriage. I mentioned that we'll talk a lot about marriages, but also relationships. Now, if you're looking at the halakha, a man is allowed to sanctify a woman with anything that is valuable. It doesn't have to be a ring. It can be anything that is what's called shvei erech, that has a value. Because when a man sanctifies a woman, there's three conditions how a man will marry a woman. And one of them, he has to give something that has value to it. So the ring is representing the beauty in the marriage, or the beauty in the relationship. Because the beauty in marriage is that there's unity, there's closeness, there's togetherness. So the ring is coming to represent the beauty in the relationship. And this is Tiferet of Yesod. Tiferet is the beauty, and Yesod is the connection, is the covenant, is the relationship. So Tiferet of Yesod is the beautiful part that represents the unity. Now, the recommendation, specifically in marriage, is that the woman wears the ring all the time. It's not good to put the ring away. That's why, bichlal, in Judaism, it's good to have a ring that you do the kiddushin. Later on, you buy a nice diamond ring. That's just a present. But the actual sanctification, the kiddushin, has to be done on a simple ring. To many people, they buy gold. Based on Kabbalah, better to do silver. But nevertheless, or white gold, but that the color itself will be silver, not gold. There's a lot of mystical reasons why. But nevertheless, best for the woman to constantly wear the ring on her. Not to show other men that she's taken, just to constantly remind the beauty in the connection. After 40 years of marriage, you don't remember so much the beauty. You remember it in the first week or two. And the ring, I'm talking of course of a normal marriage, not...
You do remember after 45 years.
That's if it's a good marriage. If it's a good marriage, then for sure remember. But unfortunately, most people, they don't remember so much. This is just to remind that there's beauty in the relationship. Now, another part for the beautiful ring is that you want the marriage, the relationship, to last forever, like a good solid piece of metal. It lasts forever. Gold doesn't lose value. Silver doesn't lose value. A cheap piece of plastic will lose value. Metal, a good metal will stay forever. That's why I want the relationship to stay forever.